Hey everybody, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make simple drawer pulls for a fraction of the cost. If you want to see how to do it, stick around. Okay, so guys, we are going to make this hardware with 1/2 inch steel tubing that we got from the Home Depot, as well as 1/4 inch coupling nuts. You're going to need 8 32 by 1.5 inch long bolts, and then the corresponding drill bit and tap. And so I just got a new saw from Evolution. And it's pretty simple. All we're gonna do is cut just the tubing, and then everything else stays its normal length. We're just gonna spray it and put it together. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is mark our tubing. My drawer faces are about 26 inches wide, so I like how it looks with the drawer pulls being about 6 inches. So now that the paint's dry, we're gonna cut some little tiny squares of the pine, because that's what my cabinet drawers are made out of, that we're gonna hammer into the ends of this. So let's go to the bandsaw and do that. Okay, so we just came back from the belt sander to taper all the edges so that it fits in. So we're gonna go ahead and put both of these on there and then put it on this board. And now we're gonna just tap both of them in at the same time. Wouldn't hurt probably to get a little sandpaper, but that's the general. So we're gonna come in 1 inch in from each edge and make a line. And normally you would use a punch for this, but I cannot find mine. So we're just now going to drill this out and tap it. I cut little blocks that I'm gonna put in here to use to clamp this in so it doesn't scratch it up. I'm gonna put a couple little drops of oil. Put a little bit of this on here. And if you got a tap wrench, use it. Mine is obviously broke, so I can't. So I'm gonna use a drill, but put it on a very low setting. Back it out. Do the other one. Back it out. Let's check it to make sure that these will go in, which they will. So first thing we need to do is find the center, and it's 21 3/4, so that is 10 7/8, and mark that. I'm gonna hold this on here. This is the simplest way to do it. Find the center around about. And I'm gonna make a mark there and there. Now I'm gonna just double check to make sure that they're 3/8 from the top, which they are. And we're gonna go ahead and drill this out. Now we're going to attach this onto here, And screw that on, and then go to this side, back it off a little bit, and then put it on there too. Then just make sure they're tight. And there we go. Hey everybody, so it's Drew from the future. So after I finished those, I decided I was not really liking that look. So what I did was went ahead and painted the whole thing, even the caps, and I'll show you one right here because I'm making some more. And then I went back and lightly beveled the. So here they are. I was making some more and went ahead and painted every bit of it. And then I'll show you what I'll do on the belt grinder to make it look the right way. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Again, I have the 2 different methods. I hope you like either one. They're pretty easy. If you price these out like a similar look at like the big box store, even this long, they're closer like $8 to $10. They're not cheap. So you can buy a whole stick of this about 6 feet long for 12 bucks. And then a 3-pack of the coupling nuts are like $1.50 a piece. So you buy a couple of those, let's just say definitely for $25, you can do all this, whereas this would cost you, 70 bucks. So I really like the way these turned out. If you did too, click that thumbs up button. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And shout out to Nick Ferry. He's the one that kind of inspired my making my own drawer pulls because I had watched his video. I'll have a link down below if you haven't seen his, go check his video out. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see y'all next time.